really far away from here, across a big desert.
Storytelling, there are some misunderstandings to it. It's modern to think that storytelling is everything, but as we see it, storytelling is something personal and live. You meet a person, you tell a story without a script. It's very, very useful. When a teacher has a group of students in front of her, she can speak for a while, but then she can see that they get tired in their eyes. So if she can switch over to a narrative language from now till then, she will make the education more lively. She will talk not only to their understanding, but also to their emotions. To listen to a story, the experience is that you walk in the shoes of the person in the story, which means you also will remember strongly what was told to you when it's a story.
Stealing my sacred water by turning her into a man.
No.
No, exactly.
When you go into storytelling, you will meet also the young version of the adult. But of course, when you work with it in school, there are some differences. With children, it's much easier to improvise, to have storytelling games. If you start to tell a story to a group of children and you have some walking in the forest and you say, "And who did you meet now?" you will get dozens of answers, suggestions, what will happen in the story. Adults find it more difficult to give ideas. So you need to work harder with adults than with children to help them